Welcome to my channel again. This plant lifestyles. On this channel we teach a lot about plants. Today I'm going to talk about how to plant the leaf of life from its leaf. Yes, planting the leaf of life from its leaf is easy as ABCD. Yes, so let's follow kindly and then learn how to plant from its leaf. Most of the time some people just pick the leaf and just plant it straightforward in the soil. Sometimes it can rot. It is not 100% sure that when you germinate it straightforward it is going to germinate, but there are some ways you can do to make it germinate before even putting it into the soil. Yes, first of all, locate where there is leaf of life plant or get the leaves, and then once you get the leaf, make sure you get something like this. This one is made from paper. It is made from paper. It is cardboard, and then don't use metal or something plastic. Get something made from paper, or you can just put it on paper. Put it, or you can just open a book and put them in. Just open the book and put them on the surface of the sheet. So once you get the leaf of life like this, you are going to just put it in your room, or you are going to put it where the condition is not so hot, so that you just leave it there for 10 to 14 days. 10 to 14 days. Okay, yes, so this is how after 10 days to 14 days the leaf will look like. You see, it will start to germinate. So at this stage you can place this in the soil to germinate. So you get your pot of soil, and then you see, so this is how to plant the leaf of life from its leaf. Yes, and again, this leaf of life can be planted from its stem, but by getting the stem straightforward into the soil. But the leaf, for the leaf, if you want it to germinate faster, you just get the leaf and put it there, or put it in your room, or put it on something like this and place it in your kitchen for some time. Yes, for 10 to 14 days to look like this. Once you get it look like this, you are going to put it in the soil and it is going to germinate. Yes, on plant lifestyles there are a lot of things to learn here. We are going to learn a lot, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then forward the video to your friends for them to also learn from this. So once you are done, and then you see that the plant has germinated, you get a fertile soil. This is a fertile soil. I have my fertile soil here. You see, I'm going to grow it. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this is how we are going to plant it. Just put the stalk inside like this, and then put the leaves on it like that. So as you can see, this it is germinating, as you can see. So let's put it in the ground like this, and then this one. Okay, good. Planting the leaf of life from its leaves. Good. This one. That's it. Good. There's some of the soil on top of the leaves. a fertile soil. Fertile soil. Planting the leaf of life. Yes. So planted our leaf of life, as you can see. That is our leaf of life. Yes. So it will start germinating. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.